in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can remove notifications from Google Chrome or any web browser that you are using. So yeah, please listen carefully for each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to stop annoying pop-ups and alerts while browsing. So first, open your Google Chrome or whatever web browser that you are using on your computer. Then you will see this tree that's right here, and what you will have to do is click that and then go ahead and click settings. And once you're here, what you will have to do is go to privacy and security or privacy search and services, and then go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will have to go to site settings or site permissions and then click that. And once you're here, you will click all permissions and then go ahead and click notifications, which is right here. And what you will have to do is you will see the sites listed below, and what you will do is just remove that site from those lists so that you will be able to block all the unwanted notifications. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.